Okay students, now let us start today work. Which theme is going on? Food. Which theme is going on? Food. Okay, now open page number 4. First mention date. Today is 15th May 2021. Okay, look, read and write. Look at the picture, then read and write in fill up. ओके, पहले आपने पिक्चर को देखना है, सेंटेंस को रीड करना है, उसके बाद फिलअप को आपने फिल करना है. ओके, आ पेग इज़ ऑन द पेग किसके ऊपर है, किसके ऊपर पड़ा हुआ है, लिड के ऊपर. आ पेग इज़ ऑन द लिड. नाउ राइट इन कर्सिव. Don't pick your pencil up while writing in cursive. L E D lid. 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 Now next, a dash is in the box. What is in the box? Cup. A cup is in the box. K A P. Cup. A cup is in the box. Now a dash is on the bed. Who is on the bed? A kid is on the bed. K E D. A kid is on the bed. Now next, a cup is by the dash. Who is by the cup? A cap is by the cup. What is by the cup? A cap is by the cup. K A P. A cup is by the cap. Now next, it is a dash. What is this? It is a pad. P A D. Pad. Okay, now open your next page number 15. What comes after? Okay, what comes after 4? 4 के बाद, 4 के नीचे हम क्या लिखते हैं? What comes after 4? 4 के बाद क्या आता है? 5. Okay. What comes after 55? 56. Okay. Do like this full page. Now open your at home book. Mention pages. Page number 5 and 15. Mention date. Open page number 5. Look, read and write. Do by self this page. Now open page number 15. What comes after? Okay, do by self this page. Now open your cursive writing book. Okay beta, which letter is this? Which letter is this? O says O. O says O. O says O. O says O. O orange. Or octopus. Or ostrich. Who is the biggest bird? Ostrich is the biggest bird. What is the beginning sound of ostrich? O. What is the beginning sound of octopus? O. What is the beginning sound of orange? O. Okay. Now fill the hollow pattern with crayon. Keep your crayon on orange dot. Now go up in slanting way. Move back. Now make a round. Small curved. Then tail. O says O. O says O. O says O. O says O. Fill the hollow pattern properly. Your color should not move out of the hollow pattern. Do it 20 to 30 times. Okay. Now try on dots. Start from baseline. Go up. Touch the waistline. Then move back. Take a round. Then tail. O says O. O says O. Don't pick your pencil up while writing in cursive. Do slow. Do carefully. Okay, now try on single dot. Start from black dot. Go up. Move back. Take a round. Then tail. Okay, do like this full page. Now open your Hindi one book. Open page number 26. ओके, ये हिंदी का कौन सा व्यंजन है? झा. झ झुमका. झ झाड़ू. झ झूला. झ झंडा. झ झुमका. झ झाड़ू. झ झूला. झ झंडा. Okay, now fill the hollow pattern with crayon. Okay, small standing line, then curved right to left, then again curved left to right, then round, then tail. Okay, small sleeping line, go up, go down, standing line, upper line should be traced in the end. झ झुमका. झ झाड़ू. झ झूला. झ झंडा. Fill the hollow pattern properly. Your color should not move out of the hollow pattern. Do it 20 to 30 times. Now try on dots. Start from here. Small standing line, then curved right to left, then again curved left to right, then again curved left to right to left, then round, then touch the line. Okay, then small sleeping line, go up, go down, standing line, upper line should be traced in the end. झ झुमका. झ झाड़ू. झ झूला. झ झंडा. झ झुमका. झ झाड़ू. झ झूला. झ झंडा. Do like this full page. Thank you.